Okay, thank you for the applause because the first time. Uh, okay, good afternoon. My name is Fitra from Indonesia, and I will be presenting the reporting for service delivery in Indonesia. Okay. I don't know why this slide is still there. I asked my fellow to erase this, but it's okay. This is me, gitu kan. Accounting person not must be a formal person, is it? You agree? Okay. My main job is preparation of central government financial statement. So my presentation is mostly about central government financial statement. In Indonesia there is central government and local government, and I am yang central government. And in Indonesia there is no amendment to compile the central and the local by act, but by GFS, Government Finance, we do the compile central and local government. Okay, and my project, this is, I'm very happy come here because I have a lot of learn from the expert about this financial reporting and performance reporting. It's my project to make the rules about this. Okay, my English is limited. Okay. Okay. Before we begin the main presentation, I would like to address the discussion topics outlined in the invitation letter. The first topic is government are increasingly getting under pressure by their citizens to report on the budget performance with respect to delivery of services. This condition also happen in Indonesia with increasing transparency in state finances. The public can now access detailed information on the state budget of Indonesia and its realization. The Ministry of Finance holds a monthly press conference to report on economic condition and the budget realization up to that monthly. So economic observers and journalists who initially only look at the year-end fiscal outlook are now consistently questioning the output, outcome, and direct impact of state budget achievements on economic growth and public benefits. So, furthermore, the Parliament, House of Representatives, continually recommends that the government must present a better and more integrated performance report. So the next question topic is the application of IPSAS 24, and this morning RPG number 3 recommended practice guided by IPSAS-B, Service Performance Information. So for Indonesia, this performance reporting is presented primarily in the Statement of State Budget Realization. We will examine whether this statement, Indonesian statement, fully complies with IPSAS 24 or its certain modifications are applied. So based on this consideration, we have divided the presentation into 5 topics. Presentation of budget information, statement of state budget realization, performance disclosure in the notes to the financial statement, performance report as an attachment to the financial statement. In this part, we will present one specific report, and that's aligned with RPG 3, Service Performance Information. I think that was initially not part of the financial statement. which has now become an integral part of the financial statement as an attachment. Okay, next the system integration. Okay, Indonesian accounting standard is an adaptation, not adoption. Adaptation, we strive to be compliant with IPSAS while making slight modification tailored to the provision of government financial management of Indonesia. Indonesia financial statement have utilized the full accrual basis since 2015, okay, before cash toward accrual. If on the central government and local government, same time, since with the following components: statement of state budget realization, statement of changes in accumulated budget surplus, balance sheet, operational report, cash flow statement, statement of changes in equity, notes to the financial statement. You can see the cash basis and full accrual basis. So in our system, every transaction we record it into system, cash and accrual, automatically by system. So we don't modify it to accrual or modify it to cash. No, okay. We the unit working just record the transaction on the system, and the system will divide to cash and accrual, cash and full accrual, not cash and modified or modified and accrual. Okay. Regarding the discussion topic, the information related to the delivery services can be found in statement of state budget realization, notes to the financial statement, mostly on the notes to the financial statement, and the appendix, that is the performance report. Okay. The key characteristic of the Indonesian state budget are authorized by Act, detailed in a presidential decree, and further elaborated in a budget implementation document for each minister agency, which is then broken down again to the work unit level. You see, 19,377 working units all around Indonesia. They are each make financial statement by system. Okay, then budget cash basis. Okay, cash basis. You can see the budget cash basis. The statement of state budget realization is cash basis. So reline. We don't reconcile statement of state budget realization and the budget, because bothly cash budget, cash basis. Then annual basis for the budget utilize economic classification, but may also be broken down using functional and organization classification, and so revisable. This is the accountability of the state budget implementation to the House of Representatives is presented by financial statement. This is why we appendix the performance report. Why the performance report is the appendix of the financial statement. Next slide. Hard to say. Next. Okay, this is statement of state budget realization. The format of the statement divided into description, budgets, final budget. So we are final budget, and then realization, percentage, and realization for the last years. May not be mandatory under the IPSAS 24. In terms of the description, we divide the budget into three main components. First, state revenue and grant. The second is state expenditure. And then we state revenue minus state expenditure is budget surplus deficit. And then we go to financing. And then budget surplus deficit minus financing is surplus deficit of budget realization. Okay, this is our structure of budget. The primary representation of the budget utilize an economic classification. Therefore, the statement of budget realization also use an economic classification. Although the budget can also be broken down functionally. You can see central government personal expenditure, goods and services expenditure, capital expenditure, debt interest payment expenditure. It's economic basis, not functional. If functional is health, education, etc., etc. Okay, but we can do that. Okay. The consistency makes it easier to compare both the budget allocation and the realization per classification. The standard chart of account used for budgeting, for the reporting of the statement of budget realization, and for the budget execution is the same. So we use the what did say multi-dimensional chart of account. Our chart of account is consists 16 segment, cash basis, accrual basis, location, working unit, ministry, etc., etc. Mr. Henger will be presented it tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Notes to statement of state budget realization. This is why I'm my question this morning. Budgeting serves as an authorization. Okay, expenditure can only be incurred if the corresponding budget is available. Any necessary unbudgeting spending requires a revise. Consequently, the difference between the budget realization and the allocated budget at the year end will not be significant. Okay. Now, due to this fact, the explanation in the notes focus more on difference between the current and previous year's realization. This is different. These differences are primarily because by the changes of national and global economic condition, amendment to fiscal regulation, or the addition or reduction of programs. This approach might slightly differ from the mandate of IPSAS 24. Okay, maybe relate to the RPZ 3, Service Performance Information. The disclosure atau notes to the notes related to the statement of budget realization have continuous evolve because citizens want to know the output, the outcomes, the impact. So we presented it on the notes to the financial statement. Before 2020, the notes of the statement only explain the difference in realization between the current years and the previous year and the detailed breakdown. At 2020, its working units begins recording the output achievement in the existing application concurrently with the reconciliation process only began to record. And 2021 recording was fully implemented in the integration application. From this application, we were able to add disclosure regarding national economic recovery output achievement from COVID-19 disease, same in Malaysia, national priority output achievement, and for the first time, attaching the central government performance report. Okay, not performance statement, performance report. 2022, we edit the disclosure of the state general treasury expenditure output achievement. 2023 and 2024, we discontinued, the same as Malaysia, the disclosure of national economic recovery from COVID-19, but edit output achievement classified based on function. So, the state realization based economic, and the notes we edit based on function. Okay, nah, how about 2025? I think still the same with 2024, but 2026 we RPG 3 maybe we gonna go to the RPG 3 if we can. So this is on this slide we present the explanation, the notes for the output achievement per function of the state budget. Public service, defense, public order, this is COVOC by UNDP. As you can see, the information presented includes the budget ceiling, and then the realization amount, the realization percentage, the target volume of output, this output target, okay, output, and then the corresponding unit of output which varies across outputs. This is the presentation at our notes to financial statement. Okay. Next, the explanation for the output of nation priorities. So in the State Budget Act stipulate the government work plan, which constitute the national priorities. Because in the Budget Act there is national priorities. Okay, so we must explain the output of the national priorities on the financial statement, with where at the notes to financial statement. As you can see, the information presented use the same format as the previous notes. What differs is the output description. Output description, you can see coverage of the population receiving health insurance contribution assistance, receiving basic food assistance, selling in rupiah, kemudian expenditure, percentage, output targetnya, output target, output volume realization, and the unit varies, person, family, etc., etc. Okay. Other output achievement. In this slide, we present the explanation for the achievement of strategic output of state expenditure on the state general treasury expenditure. So we are line ministry against the expenditures, and state treasury expenditure. To divide two. This is the treasury expenditure. The information presented use the same format as the previous notes. What differs is the output description. Fertilizer subsidy, because subsidy in Indonesia held by Treasury. Okay, then 3 kilogram LPG tank subsidy, electric subsidy, people business credit, interest subsidy, etc. Okay. Now we present the performance report as an attachment to the financial statement. Performance report is a summary that briefly and comprehensively explain the achievement of performance, compiled based on the government work plan stipulated in the framework of state budget execution. It contains the achievement of performance indicators. So, performance indicators, along with explanation regarding the performance realization, issues and constraints, and subsequent follow-up effort. This report can be used for evaluation to ensure that government policies and programs run according to the target. Okay, the performance report is compiled by all minister agency performance report and summarized into the central government performance report by not Ministry of Finance, by Ministry of State Apparatus Empowerment and Bureaucrat Reform. As you can see, the information presented here is different from the previous disclosure. It emphasizes the intended objective to be achieved, the indicators for achieving them, the target and realization values, and the realization percentage. Crucially, this disclosure does not include the budget ceiling or the financial realization amount. No, this is not rupiah, no money, no currency in this report, because the target is output, outcome, and impact. The purpose is to portray that. Okay. Next system, the interrogation. In the state financial management cycle, we begin with planning. After planning, continues through the budgeting. Planning, budgeting, execution, and concludes with reporting. We plan to fully integrate this system. This integration aims to link the planning phase, whose output basis is not measured by in currency units, with the budgeting, execution, and reporting phase, which are inherently based on currency units. We seek to determine whether the planned programs have produced the appropriate outputs, outcome, and impact, alongside effective and efficient budgeting and its realization. As I asked this morning, how to link budget annually. Budget is input, output must be annually too, but the outcome more than annually, impact maybe next generation. how to report that, how to link that, how to but the expert has answered that to monitoring the progress. Okay, it's challenging to link every program, both priority program and routine programs, to its respective budget, and the complexity arises because a single activity can support multiple programs, and several programs may overlap to yield diverse outcome. Maybe we need cost accounting or management accounting to make this report very good or very well. Okay, thank you, terima kasih. Thank you for your kind attention.